Raise a toast to your incredible student life at Marquis Place, a popular student accommodation in Leicester. Step into a world of modern comfort with our range of ensuite apartments, where every detail is designed to enhance your student experience. Each room offers a private sanctuary featuring a snug double bed, a spacious wardrobe, a fitted desk and chair for study sessions, and ample storage space for all your belongings. Speaking of amenities, bid farewell to weekend chores with free laundry facilities and indulge in some well-deserved relaxation. Whether it's binge-watching your favorite movies on a 50-inch LED TV or surfing the web with free high-speed Wi-Fi. Conveniently located just a short stroll away from Montfort University and the University of Leicester, Marquis Place is not just a home, it's a hub of convenience. And when hunger strikes, you're spoiled for choice, with nearby restaurants and cafes like Gitli's Sandwich Bar and Holly's Coffee Shop. Perfect for grabbing a bite with friends after classes. And don't fret about travel expenses, the nearest bus station, Granville Road, is just a stone's throw away. Leave your worries behind and immerse yourself in comfort at your personal paradise, Marquis Place Leicester. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.